Next, let's think about internal digitalization, because at our example, at several banks, we invested a lot of money to digital interface for partners, digital interface to clients, but our own managers used some old system with bad design, and they asked us why clients use some modern solution and we not use it. And sometimes, but from for each company, for each architecture, it may be different. But in our case, and maybe in your case, if you build it, some digital solution for clients and partners, it means you have some core system, you have some middle interface or middle API, and which you used for building of your B2C and B2B solutions. And it means you may use this API for building some attractive interface for your internal managers, but even you may use this B2C or B2B channel for usage by your managers. And sometimes it's better to use different platforms. Sometimes it's better to use single platform for B2C, B2B, and your managers. And it may be just settings of your role model to provide the same system, but your clients will see it in one way, partners in the other way, and managers in third way. And also, you may use approach when your clients go to your office, and managers will use system of your client, and with promo code or access of that manager, they will start to fill application or some data, and client next will be able to finish application or use that system by his own. Sometimes it was, as example, it was maybe 10 or more years ago. We visited Swedbank in Latvia, in Riga, and even 10 or 15 years ago, they started paperless approach. And when client visit a bank, they propose to client to open internet bank of that client with manager, and manager provide guidelines to client how to how to use internet bank and how to make different operations in internet bank. And in that case, you don't need to invest to interface of manager. So you may use the same interface. And also you may use gamification for your managers. And sometimes if you have mobile managers, your managers will like also usage of your digital interface or mobile application. Also, if we talk about internal system, you maybe will use external CRM system, customer relationship management, like Salesforce, like Microsoft Dynamics CRM, like Oracle, Siebel, or SAP CRM. Or you may use some internally prepared functions, some customer software. But it's great when you have some digital applications to clients and partners, and you have some orchestrator, and you're able to track all interactions with your clients, all history of sales and proposal and communications with your clients, and also through that system you may track marketing activities, and you may track all history with your client. And also you need to think about decreasing of cost, because when your managers work with client, they fill some applications, or they may fill some data, even if your client or your partner send you some data or send you clients, you may have a lot of operational costs, and it's great to work with profit and loss analysis of each channel, of each operation, because you will see for each type of operation that you spend a lot of money for example, processing of documents, of checking of documents, and sometimes your roadmap of development of some B2C or B2B tools will be based on revenue and some features which will increase your sales, but sometimes you will understand that you need to decrease cost of some internal operations, and you will need, for example, implement document recognition on validation of some fields or some integration with some internal services. So it's a great way to digitalize internal operations, to try to calculate profitability, what you will implement for increasing of sales, what you will implement for decreasing of costs.